Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lorlla and today we're going to be faking a nose job. Basically, we're going to achieve pointed nose. What I'm going to do is use my concealer to snatch my nose. As you guys can see, I don't have pointed nose. If you're interested in seeing this video, please keep watching. But if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below so you won't miss on any of my videos. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So now that I have applied my foundation, let us take it personal. Let's get it closer. So what I'm going to be using today is my angled brush, my concealer, and my contour stick. You have to put in mind where and where not to put the concealer, and you also have to put in mind that this is your nose bridge, this is the root of the nose, so you're going to apply the concealer to the edge of the nose bridge, right? So for easy control, we're going to be using our brush just to take the concealer to the edge of the nose bridge, right? You do the same thing here. You take it up to meet your brows, just like so. Just to take this one up to meet your brows. What we're trying to achieve here is to cover, how would I put it? Is to cover this curved part of our nose. So it's just like applying foundation to cover up a spot or an acne. You just press it into your skin. Right, so you also apply your concealer at the middle, just like the usual way of concealing. Press it into your skin. You can even use the tip of the brush just to press it into your skin, right? Make sure that it gets to the roots of the nose. This is where the nose, this is, if you touch it, I just don't want to touch it, you see the bone starts from here, right? So this is where you're going to take your concealer to, gets to the root of the nose. So you can see that automatically the contour line is showing. The dark part of the nose that gives us that illusion of pointed nose is already showing on my nose, and that is what we're yet to achieve. I'm going to take the contour stick from Black Radiance Beauty. I'm just going to get a little on my brush, get a little product on my brush, and just start carving out the pointed part of my nose. Don't forget that we already have the lines. We're just trying to enhance it with the contour stick, and we want it to be as natural as it can possibly be. Also, I took a shade that matches my skin. You can see I took a shade. I've not added any product on this part of my nose, but if you see that the contour stick looks exactly the same as the line with no product on it. It is important to use your angled brush. It is very important. If you go directly on the nose, it's just going to mess everything we've been doing. It's going to mess it up. So you take the line up to meet your brows, to meet the start of your brows. That's what I'm doing now, and you can see it's so natural. You know how when you apply eyeshadow on your crease and you're trying to like blend it with, you know, the eyelid? That is exactly what we're going to do here. We're going to blend the contour lines with the concealer, with the highlighted areas of my nose, so that it just matches, it just comes together, and it turns out flawless. Right, so this part of my nose is snatched. Like, I'm loving the feel, I'm loving what I'm seeing. So let's go back in. When it comes to getting a flawless beat, all you need is patience. Like, you just have to be extremely patient, and then very, you know, you take your time to get whatever you want to achieve. But on the day when you're in a hurry and you're on the move, you don't need this. You can just do your normal routine. But if you're going for an event and you want that snatched nose, you can even do this on a normal day. You can do this on a normal day, but it just depends on your time. If you have the time, go ahead. Right, so when you get to the tip of the nose, what you're going to do is take the lines, have the lines connect with each other. That's what I'm going to do, to connect, to give us that pointed effect. Right, right. So lighting aside, it looks really dark here without the light. It's just the light that is making it look like I have no product, but believe me, it is really dark. Like, I can see my nose is snatched already, and I don't want to use a very dark shade because it might just change the whole result of the process. It might change the result. So I don't know what to do right now. Trust this. Okay, so I'll just keep applying the product just to see if it can show very well on camera, but in real life I can see that this is pretty dark. So going back with the concealer brush, I'm going to blend it into my skin, into the skin. Just make it effortless and flawless. So it doesn't look like we have so much product. Like, I can go out like this. It shows how natural it is. I would reduce the light so you guys can see the effect. Let me just reduce the light. this is how my face looks now with no powder whatsoever. So we're just going to like carve out these highlighted areas with powder. I'm using Sacha Buttercup setting powder. We're going to set my under eye. We're going to just beautiful. So I'm going to start by dusting off the setting powder, and not just dusting off, I'm just massaging it into my skin with the brush. Just let it sink and let it just let it just melt into the skin, you know. Same thing with the nose. Take it up and down. I set my nose, I set the face for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, yes. Just so the effect of the highlight can be retained on the face and on the nose. So I'm going to take my highlighter, a dark shade, not the lightest shade. I'm going to apply it on the bridge of my nose all the way, not here and here. I'm going to apply it all the way. So I'm also going to take a lighter shade just to like create that effect. So I'm using two different shades of highlighter. So guys, I am back. So all I did was just apply the highlighter on my nose bridge. So now I have a pointed nose. Hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you do, like this video, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to connect with me on my social media, Lorlla icon. Okay guys, catch you in my next video. Bye bye.